Hi, this is Hank Hanegraaff, president of the Christian Research Institute and host of the Bible Answer Man broadcast with another Hank Unplugged short. Some of you who have been following my shorts are familiar with my sister and her struggle with pancreatic cancer. And so she's keeping her prayer partners, her friends and family aware of what she's going through, and she does so in the most eloquent fashion. In this particular missive, she writes about how during her life she's lived in many different countries and many different states. She's been on many different mission trips, and on each of those occasions she has to pack and then unpack. But now she's going on a journey that requires no packing. This is what my sister Jobje wrote. This time, I find myself unpacking for the greatest journey of my life, for my eternal home. In church this Sunday, we sang one of the greatest hymns of our faith, "A Mighty Fortress is Our God." I just love that hymn, especially when played on a pipe organ at full throttle. One verse hit me anew. "But goods and kindred go, this mortal life also." It was a very sobering thought, because that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm letting my goods go, even as in time I will have to let my kindred go. As I was packing my boxes for a Christian thrift store, I was struck with the thought for the first time that I would not need to pack a suitcase. I would not have to pack boxes ever again for my journey heavenward. Just me. Just me with my soul flying toward heaven at the moment of death, unencumbered by the things of this world, not even encumbered by my body to be placed into the cold ground awaiting the resurrection. That body can't even accompany me on this particular journey. But this I know, that a special white robe of his righteousness will clothe me. Even my earthly name will be changed to a new one. Nothing in my hands I bring, no suitcase, no boxes, simply to your cross I cling. Naked come to thee for dress, helpless I look to thee for grace. Yes, Lord, my Savior, the insured cloak of salvation is all I need to adorn me in your home. I look forward to that. Again, signed, Jobje. I've mentioned this before, but I am always struck by that last 5-word sentence. I look forward to that. She looks forward to that great journey where she will be with a great cloud of witnesses. And then when Jesus appears a second time, the soul will return to the body, and that body will be resurrected, immortal, imperishable, incorruptible. That's something to look forward to. Jobje is a great inspiration and a reminder that we're all mortal and that the day of our own death will arrive soon enough. And when it does, I pray that you, that all listening to this Hank Unplugged short will be as prepared as my sister is.